Hello everyone and welcome back to the Vitamin Doctor. Did you know that 80% of cats over the age of 3 suffer from some form of dental disease? Shocking, right? Many cat owners overlook oral hygiene, but poor dental care can lead to pain, infections, and even life-threatening diseases. In today's video, I'll share why your cat's dental health is so important, the common signs of dental problems, and how to clean your cat's teeth at home. Let's get started. Why dental health is crucial for cats. Healthy teeth don't just mean a pretty smile, they affect your cat's overall health. Poor dental hygiene can lead to tooth decay and gum disease, painful infections that can spread to the liver, kidneys, or heart. Bad breath, halitosis, a sign of underlying issues. Fact, cats hide their pain well. By the time they show discomfort, the issue is often severe. Signs of dental problems in cats' bad breath. Strong foul odor is not normal. Red or bleeding gums, a sign of gingivitis or infection. Difficulty eating. If your cat avoids hard food, they might have tooth pain. Drooling excessively, this could indicate pain or infection. Swollen face or pawing at the mouth, signs of severe dental issues. How to clean your cat's teeth at home. Use a cat-specific toothbrush or a soft baby brush. Choose vet-approved cat toothpaste, never human toothpaste. Fluoride is toxic to cats. Start slow. Let your cat lick the toothpaste first to get used to it. Gently lift their lip and brush in circular motions, focusing on the gum line. Reward them with treats and praise. Alternatives: if your cat won't let you brush, dental treats and chews. Help reduce plaque buildup. Water additives, special formulas that fight bacteria. Vet-approved dental gels, easy to apply and effective. Chewing toys, help clean teeth naturally. Important reminder: even with at-home care, annual vet dental checkups are essential. Professional cleanings prevent serious issues. 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Ignoring bad breath. It's a sign of disease, not a normal cat smell. Using human toothpaste, fluoride is toxic to cats. Skipping professional cleanings. Cats need vet checkups just like we do. Taking care of your cat's teeth might seem like a small thing, but it has a huge impact on their health and longevity. Have you ever tried brushing your cat's teeth? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and stay tuned for more pet care tips. See you next time!